Hey everyone, I hope you're all doing fine and welcome to my new video. And today's videos I will be showing you how you can use Microsoft Shifts inside Teams. So Microsoft Shifts is another application by Microsoft that is being used for making the timesheets and employee management and the shifts management. Okay, so this is best for those organizations which are using Microsoft Teams in their work environment and they are managing their shifts management and their timesheets using Microsoft Shifts. So I would not recommend this application for schools because in shifts what we do is we calculate the paid and unpaid hours that the employees have worked. So that is not suitable in case of students, okay, because they are not paid for in the classroom, obviously. So I would highly suggest this Microsoft Shifts application for the organizations, any commercial organizations who are working, who want their times and shifts management in a more automated way. Okay. So if you have not watched and my previous videos, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel and also watch my previous videos for Microsoft Teams. So let's start over this video right now. I am once again logged in as a global administrator in my Microsoft Teams desktop application. I have this class 1A Teams application here. Okay. And to access Microsoft Shifts, all you have to do is either you go to apps and search for shifts, let like this. Where is it? Don't know where it's gone. Anyways, I have pinned it here already. So you can click this ellipsis 3 button, three dots, and you can access the shifts right here. Okay. So here you can see shifts. So this is a shifts application overview, and this is the default screen that you will see. Okay. So you can see here I've already have some demo shifts here. Let me delete it and show it to you once again by creating from scratch. All right. So I have this class 1A as shift schedule, and you can see a clock in option here, a copy schedule option here, some date time timeline here, and you can filter it as month view, day view, and week view. Okay. So you can also see this class 1A morning shifts here. Okay, only two students are have added. Okay, so all you have to do is these are my two schedules. Okay, right now for this team and this team. Let's create a new schedule and let's add Avengers here. Click confirm. So right now I'm in Avengers team application teams, and this is the shifts for Avengers. Okay, and what you can do is let me first add some members in Avengers team because I don't think I have some members here. Let me add a member so we will have a more good view. Student A, B. Okay, that's it. So I've added it. Let's go back to shifts. Okay, so now what I have to do is by default you will have a group. Okay, but if you do not have a group, if you want to create another group, all you have to do is click here, add group. So and the add group button, you will see a new group has been added. Okay, you can rename this group. Let's say operations team. Okay, and let's name this group as finance team. Okay, And in operations team, I am already added by default. And let's add more people by clicking this add people button. Click add. Let me add Nabil here. Okay, close. And in the finance team, let me add student A. Okay. Now you can see this. I've selected the week button here, week view. So I can see the week starting from 5 July till 11th. Okay, I can also filter it down to another weeks. Okay, I can print it to one page or any other customized printing. I can filter it based on the groups or based on the members as well. Okay, so let's start by adding shifts. But before that, let me show you the settings. In the settings view, we have some options, some preferences. The first is time zone. We can select the time zone. Right now, I'm in UTC plus 3 Qatar. So it's taking UTC plus 3. The start of the week, it's up to you what you start, what you select any day. So in here, we have Sunday as the start of the week. So I've selected it. Copying shifts, you have the ability to copy all your shifts to another schedule, okay, or another team. It's up to you. So I have turned it on. So if you have multiple teams, you do not have to make it from the scratch. All you have to do is to copy it. Okay. Open shifts are some open shifts which employee can request to schedule. Okay, I will show you this option as well. These are some requests where the employees can request for vacations, parental leave, sick day, off, or unpaid. And if there is any other event like annual party, so you can also change it. We can also change the, let's have it party balloon. Okay. So this kind of request you can your employee can create for in the shifts application for the approval. Okay, and this is the most interesting feature, time clock. So how would you want your time clock reporting and time tracking? So let's click begin setup. So in this option, you can see include location detection for the mobile app. So if your employees are using Microsoft Shifts or in their mobile application, what they can do is you have to restrict them to be able to clock in only within the premises of your organization. Like for example, if an employee not inside the organization, he is at home, but and he starts clocking in. Okay, but that is not a good thing, well, because you do not want your employees to clock in or clock out right staying at home. They have to be in their organization first. Okay, so you can restrict this application or shifts application with the coordinates. How do you get the coordinates? So you can see, you have the guide here, but I've already done this. So this is my workplace. All you have to do is to search your location here, and when it is here, just right click what's here. Okay, and you can see the coordinates. These are the coordinates. So you can copy these coordinates. You can see I have it here. Copy them, go back here, paste it, and turn it on. So now what will happen is every employees whenever they are inside these coordinates, only then they will be able to clock in. Okay, otherwise they will not be able to. Okay, but there is one more thing I want to mention it here, that the shifts application must have the GPS access because it will prompt it. So the mobiles must have a location services on in order to get these coordinates. Okay, so let me turn it on. You can see the time clock location is these coordinates. Let's go to schedule once again, and let's make a shift here for Nakash. Add shift. You can make it a color for each team. Let's make blue for operations team. I have this on Nakasham selected and enable it as OpenShift. So you can see I have some option called slots. So your employee means the Nakash would be able to uh, add slots or request slots for this particular time. Okay, let's say 2 slots. Okay, and let's begin this shift from 8 a.m. till 3:30 p.m. Okay, you can make it 24-hour as well. If you are working 24 hours, you can add a custom label. It will be shown instead of this time. You can add a break. Let's make it 30 minutes break. If there is any note, you can paste it here. Shift activities. If there is any activity that needs to be done, like a meeting, a conference call, or a lunch break, you can add it here. Let me add lunch break here. You can see the code here, LU, blue code. The lunch will be started from 12 p.m. till 12:30. And if you want it to be unpaid, click no. You can also add another meeting. Okay, so meeting will be started from 9 a.m. till 9:10 p.m. and it is paid. Okay, so these are the activities for me during this shift. Click save. So you can see it is on the open shifts. These are the open shifts, so anybody can have it. Like if I can just copy it or paste it to Nabil here. So you can see it will be here as well. So this is the open shift and I can paste it here as well. Okay, just like this, what you can do is you can copy this, right click, paste it here, paste it here, paste it here, paste it here. So you can see I do not have to make it once again every shift. All I have to do is copy it and paste it to all other days. You can see the calendar up here: 6th June, 7th June, 8th June, 9th June. And on Friday, Saturday we have off. So what I have to do is I have to take time off. Add time off day, save. So you can see all day off. Same here, copy it and paste it to the next day as well. So you can see I have 5 working days and 2 days off, which is my weekend. Okay, so this is how the shifts for Nakash Ahmed for a whole week, and it will also show you the count of hours, 32.5 hours count. For Nabil, I can edit it and change the times. Like let's say from 9 a.m. till 4:30 p.m. Okay, let's make the shift activities as it is. Click save. So you can see for Nabil we have 9 a.m. till 4:30 a.m. p.m. Click copy, paste, copy, paste. You can also select all of the all together. I hope it will copy it. Yeah, it is copying. So I have to remove it from here because it's a time day off. So it's a day off for Nabil as well on Friday and Saturday. Copy it, paste it. So this is how it's done. You can see the logos here. It's a lunch break and a meeting, lunch break and a meeting, lunch break and a meeting. This is all for Nabil and Nakash. So these are the operations team shift, same as you can do it for the finance team and for any other team you have. Okay, and let's make another shift for finance team here quickly. Let's give it a new color because it's a new team. Let's not make it our open shift. Make it till 2 p.m. 5 hours. Let's have a break of 30 minutes. Activity lunch. Lunch will be started from 12, 12:30, not paid. Okay. Okay, so this is a finance team. Click save. So you can copy it once again, paste it here. Just select both. You can leave it. Paste, paste, paste. And now in the time off, we have off day. Copy it, paste it. That's it. So as an administrator, you can, or a line manager, you can make these shifts for your employees, for your teams. And after once you have done, all you have to do is share with team. Just click here, share with team. So you can see 21 shifts has been assigned, one open shift. When you share open shift, employees can request to take them. You have the final say in who gets it by approving request. Okay. So open shifts can be taken by any other employees. Okay. So your notification will be sent to the entire team or the affected teams. Affected teams, it means those who are inside the shifts. Okay. I have only Nakash, Nabil and student A. So these three will be able to see the shifts and will be having the notification. Just click share. So you can see up here your schedule has been saved. Okay. Now let's switch to student A in Avengers team. I've already have student A signed in here. Okay. So you can see a student A has been signed in here from Teams web application. Let's go back to shifts. So right now I'm as an employee. So as an employee, you can see I'm not able to create a group. I'm not able to see the settings. I'm not able to share with team. Okay. So these are the privileges for employees only. Okay. I cannot able to see the shifts of my other members. You can see there are no other members or other teams here. I can only see myself. So you can see the shifts of myself. All you have to do is whenever you come in the morning in your office, okay, all you have to do is open teams, click and then open shifts, go to the schedule that you have and click clock in. Just right here, clock in. So in the clock in, you can see it's 3:28. Are you sure you want to start your shift? Click yes, you're clocked in. So you can see the timer is running now. So as the time passes, as it goes to till 3:30, so when there's a time to clock out, all you have to do is click clock out, or if there is a break, you can start a break. That's it. Okay. You can say let's clock out. Just 1 minute. So I'm clocked out now. Okay. So this is how the employees view will be. And let's go back to the administrator view. One more option I want to quickly show is the option for export schedule. I can export the schedule right from here. Okay. Or I can go to the settings. I can see the time reporting. If you want to see the time reporting, the time sheets, you can click export in the settings in the time clock. Export. You can export the time report. Click export. This is only be able to done by the line manager or the administrator who have the rights to create the schedule. So you can see a file has been downloaded. Go to downloads. Okay, let's see what we have here. So you can see it. I have the team members Nakash, Nabil, student A for each day 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so you can see the clock in. Although I don't have any clock in clock out, just to show you the reports, so you can see everything: parental leave, unpaid leaves, sick day, break hours, anything. So you can start from here: unpaid hours, paid hours. So you can do it according to your policies and according to your organization needs. Okay, so this is the report, and from this report a payroll can be generated for the employees, okay, from by the HR. So this was all for today for the Microsoft Shifts application. This is a really wonderful application for shifts management. It's really a headache for manually creating all the shifts for students or even employees. So I would highly recommend the organization to use Microsoft Shifts. And I hope you have enjoyed my videos, and please subscribe to my channel. If you haven't watched my previous videos, please go ahead and watch my previous videos. If you have any comments, please drop down. I will surely answer. Thank you so much.